Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Imtiaz. In today's video, I'm going to share 6 amazing websites where you can download images for free. You can use these images mostly for your website, your apps, or any kind of commercial projects. So let's get started. Our first website is pixabay.com. I have been using this website for maybe more than 6 or 7 years, and it's a very good site. So how to use pixabay for free images? Here you can find a big search bar. So let's search anything, for example a vintage car, and pixabay will show its collection of vintage car in front of you. But remember, the first row or the first and second row in some searches are paid, which means if you click on this image, it will take you to the Shutterstock website where you can purchase these images. But we are not looking for any premium images, so we will go to royalty free images. Okay, so these images are completely free, so you can use in any type of work. Let's say I want to use this image for my site. I have opened this image, and here is the download button. But before that, here is the details option. You can learn the details of this image, like which camera was used, and tags and number of downloads, etc. And here is the content license, so you can use it for free use without having any attribute to author, modify or adapt content into new works. So you don't have any problem of using this site. But only issue it can cause if you download this image from pixabay and sell it to other people without making any change. But if you are a graphic designer who can edit images, then you can manipulate this image, combine this image with other images, so that you can make a unique one. Then you can sell it to other people's. Okay, so to download, you can click on this download button, or you can click on the drop down menu here, from where you can download this image in different sizes. Let's say I want to use the medium image, 1200 by 960 pixels, and click the download button. That's it, my image was downloaded. Okay, now next move to the next site. My next site is Pixels. It is quite similar to pixabay, and let's say you can I'm searching for vintage cars again, and you can find a new set of vintage cars here. Let's download this image. Okay, just one thing, you can filter these images with orientation as well. I was getting some portrait type images, but I am looking for a vertical or a square image. So actually I was looking for a horizontal image, so I'm clicking on the horizontal option. Now you can see we are getting images in landscape or rectangular format. Let's say I'm going to download this image. You can click edit in Canva if you are using Canva. So this project will be imported to Canva, and you can edit that from there. Okay, this is also a free to use image. You can see, you can click on the link to read the license. Okay, so use all photos for free for commercial and non-commercial purposes, as I told you the terms before. Giving credit to pixels or photographer is not required but appreciated. So it is not required to give any credit to the photographer or pixels, but if you give the credit, they will appreciate that. So it's up to you to give that credit or not. You can edit and adapt the photos you like, so you can easily so you have the license to edit this image and do whatever with it. Okay, this is also similar to pixels, so you can click here and download as per your record size, or you can download it in a custom size. Let's say I want to download it in 1000 by 500 pixels and download the selected size, and here is my 1000 by 500 pixels image. My next site is unsplash.com. Unsplash is famous for providing very high quality images. The core functionality is similar to Pixels or pixabay.com. You can use the search bar and put your keyword, like I'm putting vintage car here, pressing enter, and Unsplash will bring its collection of vintage car images in front of you. You can sort by orientation just like before. Okay, and you can use this image as per your requirement, like the previous two websites. You can also download in this image in different sizes. Let's say I'm downloading it in medium size, and it was downloaded to my computer. Okay, after that I have another site that's called Burst. Burst is a product of Shopify. Mostly Shopify store owners or website owners use Burst for their for decorating their Shopify stores. So it is also very popular in e-commerce community. You can see there's some top free images in this for this week. Also, they have enlisted their different categories here. Let's say I'm going to run my vintage car business, so I'll go to search for the vintage car again, and Shopify Burst will bring its collection of vintage car in front of me. Let's say I'm going to download this red color car. Okay, here is the license, and we will read this. Well, Shopify holds some copyright here, but you are free to adapt and use this license photo for free for commercial and non-commercial purposes, provided that you are not permitted to sell any license photos as digital files or any other form. So you can use this. You can use this image for your personal projects, in your website, your e-commerce, or in your mobile or desktop apps, but you can't sell the right of this image. Okay, so remember this and use these images according to this. You can click this download free button and it will be downloaded on your computer. It has already downloaded. There is a limitation for this Shopify site, that is it allows people to download only in high resolution and low resolution, but no custom size option. After that we have freeimages.com. Free Images is another very good site for downloading free images. Let's see, I'm again searching for vintage car, and they have opened a new tab with their affiliate offer from iStock. We are not interested in iStock. Okay, closing it. Okay, here it is. They have 800 free vintage car images and royalty free stock photos. The process is similar to the all the previous sites. They hold some copyrights. But in most cases you can use these images, but you can't sell their rights to other people. Okay, so here is my free to download image. I'm clicking on the free download option and it will download my image after waiting for 6 seconds. My image is downloaded. Okay, and thanks for watching the video. I have added all the links in the description section. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to like the video and also please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.